Good afternoon, friends. Today I will discuss about herbs. What is herbs? So I will discuss with some pictures. So let's see. You can see the definition. Any plant with leaves, seeds or flower used for flavoring food, medicine or perfume, that is called herbs. Now the start with lemongrass, thyme, parsley, rosemary, fennel, basil, dill, bay leaves, chips, sage, coriander. Coriander also comes under herbs. Mint, chamomile. Chamomile tea is very famous. Chamomile tea. Here is culantro, but it is pronounced cilantro. You can see others herbs.